Let's start. This judgment arises from a matter of profound environmental significance. The Aravalli Hills, one of the oldest mountain ranges in India, have long served as a natural shield against desertification, a reservoir for groundwater recharge, and a sanctuary for biodiversity. In November 2025, this court delivered an order defining the Aravalli Hills as land reforms of 100 meters or higher. That order, however, provoked widespread concern among environmentalists, scientists, and civil society. On December 29, 2025, this court revisited the matter and, after careful deliberation, resolved to keep the earlier order in abeyance pending further review. The Aravalli range stretches across Haryana, Rajasthan, and Delhi. For decades, it has been subjected to illegal mining, deforestation, and urban encroachment. Reports from governmental agencies and independent experts have consistently warned that unchecked mining in the region would accelerate desertification, reduce groundwater levels, and imperil the ecological balance of northern India. The November 2025 order, by restricting the definition of the Aravallis to land reforms above 100 meters, excluded numerous ridges and smaller hills from protection. This exclusion raised fears that vast tracts of ecologically sensitive land would be opened to exploitation. The petitioners, comprising environmental groups and concerned citizens, contended that the 100-meter definition was arbitrary. They argued that smaller ridges and landforms, though less elevated, are vital for biodiversity corridors, water research, and soil conservation. They warned that excluding these areas would invite unregulated mining, thereby destroying the ecological fabric of the region. They invoked Articles 21, 48A and 51A within bracket G of the Constitution, emphasizing the duty of the state and citizens to protect the environment. The respondents, including certain mining interests and state authorities, defended the November order. They submitted that a uniform definition was necessary for administrative clarity. They argued that economic development and employment opportunities depended on mining and that the court's earlier order provided a workable framework. They urged that environmental concerns could be addressed through regulatory mechanisms without altering the definition. This court observed that the ecological importance of the Aravalli Hills cannot be reduced to a question of geological height. Smaller ridges and landforms, though modest in elevation, perform critical environmental functions. To exclude them from protection would be to ignore the holistic nature of ecology. The court noted that the right to life under Article 21 encompasses the right to a clean and healthy environment. Any definition that comprises this right is constitutionally infirm. The court further observed that the directive principles of state policy, particularly Article 48A mandate the state to protect and improve the environment. Likewise, Article 51A within bracket G imposes a fundamental duty on every citizen to safeguard natural resources. Accordingly, this court held that the November 2025 order shall remain in abeyance. A new expert committee shall be constituted to conduct a comprehensive survey of the Aravalli Hills. This committee shall consider geological, ecological, and environmental factors in framing a definition that ensures sustainable development. Until such definition is finalized, no fresh mining leases shall be granted in the region. The matter shall be listed for further hearing on January 21, 2026. Stop. Thank you.